Yeah, baby! Yeah! Holy shit! Hey everyone, Jim with Evolution Power Sports. Today, it's a big day. We finally cracked 400 wheel horsepower with the Maverick R. We've been really close for quite some time. I mean, we've done 391, 395 with our standard P47 package. But what makes this car a little bit different is this is our first engine build that we've done on a Maverick R. It's pretty basic, just pistons, rods, head studs, but slightly higher compression than the stock. This customer is going to run primarily E85, so having the really low compression doesn't make a lot of sense. It really transforms how the power delivery of the car is, especially off boost. The car is way more responsive, but as you can see, this is the most power that we've made. 408 to the tire at the end of the run. That's in 6th gear. That's a ridiculous amount of power, and we're really excited because this is just the beginning of the engine packages that we have coming. So great numbers, really excited about this. Stay tuned for what we have coming.